Hey there, this is Kathy Sanders. I'm the owner of Fishing Girl and also Fishing Girl Nation. I'm also a beach fishing guide, and one of the questions I get asked all the time and I see on social media posts a lot is how do you plan and prepare for your beach fishing trips? So I want to take you behind the scenes into my favorite app that I like to use called Surfline. I'm going to show you all of the features that I use in the free edition. There's more in the paid edition you can get, but in the free version, you can do some great planning for your beach fishing trips. So let's go into this. This was a pro tip on my January beach fishing tips videos. So if you haven't seen any of my beach fishing tips videos, I got tons of information about what fish to target and what to expect every month of the year. We're putting those out as the month comes along. So take a look at those. But right now, let's take a look at Surfline and how you can plan and prepare for your beach fishing trip using this really helpful app. I'm showing you Surfline. This is the app that I use when I'm planning a surf fishing trip. It's going to show you the most accurate information for the beach because this app is made for surfers. So I'm just going to show you quickly some of the features. So right here we've got the home button. That's what we're on now. It shows me all my favorites, and you can edit your favorites here. You can add beaches. You can move them around, whatever order you want. I've got several that I keep my eye on all the time. So I'm going to just push done here. But you can add, it seems, as many as you want, even with the free version. I'm on the free version of Surfline. It shows you if they have a beach cam here. Now, some of these beach cams are not accessible unless you have the paid version. So, and this Matanzas has like a green thing. I don't know what that is. Maybe we're not able to watch that. I don't know. Oh, observed by SmartCam 9 minutes ago. So let's see. It's going to make you watch an ad. Here we go, Matanzas Inlet. Here is our beach cam. And if you twist your phone, it'll go full screen, and you can see the full screen beach cam. Gives you about 15 seconds, and then it will go to another ad, which is lovely. But while we're here in Matanzas Inlet, let's just take a look here. So it's going to show you knee-high, knee to thigh waves, 1 to 2 foot. Pour, now I believe that pour is for surfing, not necessarily for fishing. And it is 10 knots cross shore, because showing you that it's a cross shore wind because it's coming from the north. And it's a falling tide here. It's showing you we're pretty close to low tide. So if we just skip right down to the tides, you can see here was high tide at 9:31 in the morning, 5.4 foot, which is pretty high. And then low tide, we're pretty close to it, 3:44 at 0 feet. So also down here, while we're here, you can see first light is at 6:55, sunrise at 7:21. Now I notice whatever that first light is, it's starting to get light sooner than that. Or it's really, really helpful to know how much time you have to pack up before it's in the dark. And also what time you can get out there in the morning without being in the dark. So now that's the live view. Look at all that information it gives you just with the live view. It shows you the winds, the tides, and everything. Now you can go to forecast, and with the free version you can see up to 5 days. So we got today, gives you an overview here all the way through the day. 12, every 3 hours it's showing you what's going on, how high the waves are, what direction the wind is coming from, and the swells, the wind speed and the gusts. So we got, let's say at noon, we had 8 mile an hour wind, or 8 knots of wind with 8 knot gusts. Tomorrow, so tomorrow just shows you a quick little overview, or you can click into it and it will expand it. So it does that for 5 days. And then if you want to see past 5 days, up to 16 days, they'll give you a free trial. I don't know how long that is, if it's 7 days or a week or what. But another thing I want to show you here, we'll go back to today's, let's see what time it is, 3:30. So we're looking at this 3 o'clock time. You can scroll over, and this is the primary swell and the secondary swell, for those of you who know what that means. I'm not really sure about all of that exactly. I mean, it tells you how high these are.
and stuff. But the weather, it kind of gives you a brief little, here's the temperature at 3 o'clock, 57 degrees. Here's what I watch a lot too, is the pressure. This is the air pressure, the barometer. So for instance, in the morning we had 1024 going up to 1026. It was rising, then it fell a little bit to 3, and then it's coming back up a little bit. So you can watch this pressure, watch the barometer right here from Surfline. And I tend to notice that rising barometer fish usually bite a little bit better as it's rising. And then you got some things that are pretty much just for the premium version. You've got analysis, the charts, and the guide. I don't really get into those too much. I mostly use this live view and the forecast, and you can pick that for like whatever beach. Let's go to Flagler Beach Pier. Obviously you got your little ad that has to play, but it tells you right here, water temperature 63 degrees. But we've got all kind of information from this free little app called Surfline. It's my favorite one to use. Let me know in the comments, do you use Surfline? Is there another app that you like to use for beach fishing and when you're planning your trips? Always open to using something new and finding more information, but this has worked great for me, the Surfline app, so hope that helps.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a comment if it was helpful to you. I know there's other apps out there that people use, so if there's an app that you particularly think is even more helpful than Surfline, I know my watchers, my viewers are always looking for more ways that they can plan and prepare for their trips. I know there's the Windy app, there's lots of fishing apps. A lot of the fishing apps, though, look at inshore fishing, like water temperatures and conditions. So Surfline is made for the beach, is made for surfers, so that's why it's so helpful for beach fishing. But if you found another one that's helpful, please leave a comment. I'm super excited to share with you some things that we have been working on behind the scenes for quite a while. And the first of them is called Fishing Girl Nation. We love our Facebook group, the Women's Fishing Club. We've got over 4,600 ladies in there from all over the country. As the group has grown, we realize how restrictive social media can be and how hard it is for ladies to truly find their fishing friends. So we're going to be on our own platform, be able to form local chapters and have fishing tournaments and groups and events and all these things. We've got a bunch of ladies already on board with Fishing Girl Nation, and our early sign-up deal is ending really soon. So go to our website and you can get more information about it and where to sign up. The second part is our beach fishing charters. Most of you probably already know that I am a surf fishing guide. I've been doing this for a couple of years now, so I'm going to still be doing that. You can find information about our beach fishing trips on our website as well. The third thing we're super excited about is Fishing Girl Media and Publications. Andy and I have been involved with publishing and media for well over 20 years now. We own our own company. We're international writers. Both of us have our doctorates. We're taking all of that publishing knowledge and putting it to good use. Fishing Girl Media and Publications will be by women and for women who fish. Last of all, and certainly not least, is Fishing Girl Catch and Release Initiative. Now, this nonprofit company we are forming this year, we're using fishing as a tool to catch women who are in maybe domestic violence or in trafficked situations and release them into a better life. Check out our website for information about how you can help us do that. We are so excited about the future of Fishing Girl, and we are hitting 2025 strong, so head on over to www.fishin-girl.com for more information about anything that I talked about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and as always, tight lines and God bless.